Giovanni Food Products produces and sells frozen pizzas to public schools throughout the eastern United States. Using a very aggressive marketing strategy, they've been able to increase their annual revenue by approximately $10 million over the past 10 years. But increased competition has slowed their growth rate in the past few years. The annual revenue in millions of dollars for the previous 10 years is shown in this table. Construct a time series plot and comment on the appropriateness of a linear trend. So in this plot, the data is shown with the blue points, and we can see that just as in the preamble, that revenue has increased quite steeply, but then it's kind of leveled off in more recent years. And so I would say that a linear trend is probably not appropriate for this data set. Using Minitab, develop a quadratic trend equation that can be used to forecast revenue. So this is the equation that we obtain using Minitab. So the value of the time series at time t is equal to 5.702 plus 2.889 times t minus 0.1618 times t squared. Using the trend equation developed, forecast revenue in year 11. So all we need to do is plug in the value 11 into this equation, and the forecast revenue in year 11 is 17.91, and that's shown in the plot as the green point on the far right, and all the other fitted values from the model are shown using the red points. And we see that this quadratic equation is actually starting to bend down at the right hand side of the graph, so that the forecast revenue in year 11 is actually lower than the actual revenue was in years 7 to 10. And so I'm not entirely sure how realistic that is. So although this quadratic trend model seems to do a reasonably good job of fitting the data, I'm not entirely sure that it's providing good forecasts for the future.